Imagine coming home to the definition of refined luxury. Your own piece of prime urban real estate, furnished with custom designed furniture that is clean, understated, yet completely comfortable, with priceless view of Bangkok's central business district. Welcome to Tait 12. Now the 2-bedroom is where things get really interesting because we get to really see this place showcase how it utilizes the space. 135 square meters. To the right here is a large storage room for your shoes. I would put my golf clubs here, umbrellas and all that. Here is a utility room for your washing machine, so all your storage is in the front here. Here's a powder room for your guests. And this 2-bedroom type, you have 2 bedrooms flanking the living room. So here's the first one that we're gonna check out here. This would be the guest bedroom here. A lot of space. This is the size of a lot of masters here. And you got that view of Sathorn there. The BTS is over there. And it comes with its own ensuite here with a shower, beautiful tiles, very clean look, large space here. Coming back out to the living room, you get to see here from this vantage point how marvelous this space here. You've got a nice full dining table with the first balcony there. Oh yes, there's 2 balconies in this unit. Here's the first balcony there, very large and generous for you and your guests. You can really enjoy the view of Sathorn here. This faces south, so you're gonna get generous sunlight coming in all the time. 3.15 ceiling height. Here's a full kitchen here with an island. Your fridge goes there, a lot of storage underneath the island for your dishwashing machine. You've got your oven there. Really nice place to store your cookware. You've got a dedicated office here. This was where we did the video introduction. You could convert the space into an extra bedroom if you really wanted to, but I think it's really great there. I would sit and work there all day. And this here is obviously the living room. Really great space, custom designed furniture, very high quality by Tait 12. They really curated a wonderful space for you to live here. This unit was sold along with all the furniture, so the owner here, lucky person, gets to move in immediately. And we're gonna take you now to the master bedroom and just look at how cozy this is. Look at all these pillows. There's like, I counted 10. I just wanna go in and like pounce on them all. This is gonna be so nice and mushy. And here's the second balcony right here. This is your private balcony space. You can sit here with your morning coffee. I certainly will do that. Morning coffee, but in the evening, your evening champagne, you will enjoy it in this master bathroom with the beautiful freestanding bathtub, similar to what you saw in the 1-bedroom. You've got plenty of glass here, double vanities. I like how it's a single sink, but with 2 faucets here, and you've got a wet zone here. Very, very nice tiles. Your wardrobe is over there. This is a beautiful space for you. Prime real estate in the heart of Bangkok. This condo here is in one of my personal favorite neighborhoods. It's in Sathorn, and it's on a street called Sathorn Soi 12. And what I love about this is that it is one of the main appealing international melting pot lifestyle streets in Bangkok here. And just 200 meters that way is St. Louis BTS station, or Saint Louis or Saint Louis, depending on what language you speak. 2 stops down and you're at Silom Road and Lumpini Park. 2 stops further and you're at Siam Paragon and Sukhumvit Road. Going the other way and you're at the river side in 2 stops. That was a lot of talking. Let's have a look at this condo's amazing facilities.